Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Steam gift card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Steam gift card not working, the first thing that you can do is double check the code. Most problems are caused due to the typos, so what you need to do is enter the 16-character code exactly as printed with no spaces or extra characters. The next method is check the card balance. If the card balance is 0, it won't work, so what you can do is contact the retailer or check online if they provide balance verification. The next method is make sure the card matches your account region. Steam gift cards are region locked. You can only redeem a card in the same country or region as your Steam account. The next is try a different platform. Sometimes the Steam app or website has temporary glitches, so what you can do is try redeeming on Steam desktop app if you are using your browser, or if you are using your browser, simply try on the another browser or on incognito mode. You can also clear cache. Then simply next method that you can use is check for damage or scratch code. If the code is unreadable, Steam cannot redeem it, so you can do is to use proof of purchase and contact Steam support by tapping on the three horizontal bar and then simply tapping on support and select one of the reasons, and you will be provided with the option to contact the Steam support. And then what you can do is give the gift card details and they may issue a replacement code. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.